their dreams.
Na wanafunzi bora katika mtihani wa mwaka huu wa KCPE wanaazimia kuchukua taaluma mbalimbali. Katika shule ya bidii mtaani Buruburu, wanafunzi hao wengi wanataka kuwa wahandisi na madaktari, miongoni mwa taaluma zingine. Mwalimu wa shule hiyo Bi Rafael Kanya amefurahia matokeo hayo, akisema yamewapa nafasi ya kutia bidii hata zaidi wakati wanapokaribisha mtaala mpya wa CBC na kuupa kwa heri ule wa 844.
I'm Gadmari Otwani from BD Primary School and I got 414 marks. I'm quite happy and I thank God.
My name is Monica Blessing. I'm from BD Primary School and I have obtained 407 marks. The school that I want to go to is Mary Hill High School. My name is Tiffany Nyariri. I'm from BD Primary School and through God's power I was able to obtain 406 marks. I believe what got me to reach these marks was my hard work, honestly.
My name is Jesvina Nyango. I'm from BD Primary School. I like to go to Loreto Limuru Girls High School because of their good performance, and I naturally love the school.
As a school, you are very proud to have attained the performance. Actually, the performance is very encouraging. To have attained 9,400 is great, and this is I owe to my teachers and the parents because of their cooperation. So you've moved very well.
We have a policy of bettering their best. So we want always to leave children who come to BD Primary School, when they leave the gate, that they have bettered their best. As the head of management of this particular school, I'm not only proud of the school, but of the performance that we have had today. You know, this is our last 844. We are getting into the CBC. Already we have a strategic plan on how we can be able to make a BD school as the center of excellence for CBC, not only in Nairobi, but the whole country.
Na tukisalia kwenye sherehe za matokeo ya KCPE, wanafunzi